There are still so many questions about the COVID vaccine rollout in the state of Texas. Of the 25 million doses across the country, only about a third have been giving out. And certainly a lot of folks here in the Lone Star State are frustrated with that rollout as well. This morning, we want to gauge your response. Have you gotten the vaccine, Moderna's or Pfizer's? Are you registered to get it? Are you waiting for later groups? Maybe you don't plan on getting it at all. You can weigh in using our app or by going to our website. WFA.com/vote now is the address. While you do that, I want to check in live with Hannah Davis in Dallas with a new strategy to try and get more Texans vaccinated.
Yeah, good morning, Mark. Officials say that they're figuring this out as they go, and they know something needs to change. And this shift is actually going to be happening statewide. What they're going to be doing now is focusing on these big hubs or mega vaccine centers as opposed to just sending those vaccines to smaller providers all over. And they hope this is going to make it move much more quickly. Let's take a look at the details. You know, one of those hubs that they're talking about is actually right here in North Texas in Arlington. Yesterday, Governor Greg Abbott toured the operation as Texans continued to get their vaccines. The governor praised the organization and the productivity that he saw on the ground, saying this will be replicated statewide as Texas moves to open 28 of those hubs as soon as possible. Abbott also went over the latest numbers regarding vaccines, saying even though it has been a bumpy rollout in many ways, that there is major progress happening in the state in a relatively short amount of time.
Never before in the history of this state has Texas vaccinated so many people so quickly. Let's put this in context. It was 1 month ago this day that emergency use authorization was provided for the Pfizer vaccine.
The priority right now of the vaccine is still on healthcare workers and people who are 65 and older and those with medical conditions that put them at risk of serious illness from the virus. But North Texas's largest hospitals are going further. A handful of local hospitals are vaccinating all employees, including those not seeing patients or working from home, telling us hospital workers are essential and that they are hoping to move staff into new roles. Again, most of those hospitals say they're doing frontline workers first, and then those other staff members saying again that they might be moving them around so they might be interacting with people going forward. Back to you, Mark.
All right, thank you, Hannah. I do want to update our viewers on our poll so far this morning. 24% of you say you've gotten the first dose. About a third of you say you are registered to get it. About a quarter of you say you are waiting for later groups, and roughly 15% say you do not plan on getting it. We'll keep that poll open. You can vote using our app or by going to our website. Of course, we are trying to make it easy for you to register to get on that list to be vaccinated. A lot of you have a lot of questions about that. Text the word vaccine to 214-977-6028. Again, vaccine, 214-977-6028, and we will reply with a link to all the information you need. You can also find it on our website. Kara?